Hey folks, how's it going? If you're new to the channel, thanks for checking me out. If you've already been here before, thanks for coming back. So this channel is all about 3D printing, and when I saw the Star Wars trailer, I got super excited because this happened. Now I know there's mixed emotions on this, but me, I'm pretty excited about it. I guess I'm like the target audience for stuff like this. So first thing I did was go online, wait a couple days, go online again to see if somebody made a model so I could print it out, and they didn't, so I went in and made one myself. So these are the models right here. This is the staff version, and this is the one you see in the trailer before it pops down. I'm not good enough with Fusion 360 yet to actually do some type of mechanism, make it pop down in the trailer, but I'm good enough to make a static model that I can print out and make a nice display piece, so that's what I'm going to be doing. And I'm going to be focusing on the version where it's actually still lifted up before it pops out. I'm going to keep it like where it's retracted. But I'm giving everybody the choice to print out one of the two models. So everything on these models are exactly the same. Only difference is the middle piece. So you go with the L brackets, or you'll go with the peg in the middle. So we're gonna go to the model really quick, and here's the model in Fusion 360 right here. And this is the one we're gonna really focusing on in this video. And here is the staff one as well. So these will be the different pieces. The peg here, or the L brackets is what you'll use to make it, just like I said, as a display. And I'm going to include the link in the description on Thingiverse. It's going to be my first file I upload to Thingiverse, so go easy on me if you see some stuff wrong with it. So the first time I printed it out, I used supports. Wasted a lot of material, wasted a lot of time. You can actually print all these parts right here with no supports, and it cuts the time like in half. So it takes about a day and 6 hours now. Any questions, please comment below, and let's just jump right into the build. Alright, awesome. The prints are done. Let's go ahead and get these taken off the bed. Make our way over to the workbench. Alright, so here are all the pieces. So we're going to just start getting the supports removed. We're all cleaned up. Alright, so the way I made this print is, this part just sticks in there, this part sticks in here. And then of course this part goes in there, and then this part goes on here. So that's about how that looks like as a staff once it's all put together. I want this setup. So the next step, I'm gonna go ahead and start sanding. I'm gonna hop right into it. Alright, now that all the sanding is done, I'm gonna take it down to the garage, put some coats of primer on it. Let's go do that. Alright, the lighting in my garage is terrible, but this is set up. I'm going to use just a hanger from like the rafters with these hanging from the wires. And I'm going to be using this right here, the Rust-Oleum primer. It's a filler and a sandable. So I'm going to shake this up and get started. And now that these are primed, I'm going to glue these pieces together and then take them downstairs and paint it with a high gloss paint primer, black. Do like a nice metallic shine. It's really good to have a black base. I started off with this. I know you guys probably said, why are you using another primer if it's black primer? Why don't you just go with black primer? Because this is real good at filling little holes and stuff that you miss. That's why I like this stuff a lot. It's really good at that. So I'm gonna get this glued together, and we're gonna jump right into spray paint them after they glued together. Now something I learned from Odin Makes, which I didn't used to do, was like how glue would adhere to the paint as opposed to the plastic, whatever you're doing first. So what I'm gonna do is dig into where you're gonna glue at, so it seeps through and gets to the plastic, and that's what helps hold it. So that's why this part I tried to miss as much as possible with the paint, but I did a terrible job with this one. See, I missed some of it, but it still got in there. I'm gonna be just using some cheap Dollar Tree glue and Instaset. Actually, you know what? I still got some Gorilla Glue left, so that was Dollar Tree glue I was gonna use. Put Instaset right here on this side. Only problem with Instaset is you gotta be really precise when you first put it on there, because this stuff dries. It really is instant. If you ever used it before, you know exactly what I'm talking about. See if I can get this perfect. Seeped out of the side. Alright, and we're gonna do the same with the other side. This time I know to use this a little bit, please. About that amount right there, so it won't smush out this time. Over the Instaset. Alright, let's get it downstairs and get some black paint on this. Now this looks wide. Now if the saber looks warped, that's just the camera. I'm gonna do it with the wide angle and kind of like warp stuff, so it's not actually curved like that. I'm gonna start applying the chrome. I really don't know exactly how it's gonna turn out. I have the spastics right here, mirror chrome, and then I have this right here, Molotov, whatever, liquid chrome. Not sure which one's gonna work the best. I'm gonna try this one first because this one's gonna have the best reviews. Let's see how this sprays. So you gotta really spray down heavy for this to get the chrome effect. I'm seeing that now. That looks really, really good. If the camera can pick that up, let's see, without it falling off the stand. Really nice. Alright folks, the chrome is dry and it came out decent. I'm gonna go ahead and start filling in the black lines using this paint pen right here. Be real slow and steady. Alright folks, that's it. Here it is. Here's the build. I'm super happy with it. The chrome, I'm just getting excited looking at it again. It has a nice mirror finish, and that's what I was going for. That's why I didn't go with any of these other ones, which is the Spastics, the Testers, and this airbrush right here. I went with the Molotov
just because this is like a perfect mirror finish. Only downside is how much stuff picks up fingerprints. That's why you had to see me recoat the whole thing just to fix it, because I was handling it in the middle of the print and it just got fingerprints everywhere. Now if I can do anything different, I would definitely, right here in the middle, I would actually use epoxy or Bondo or something to fill this in just to make it cleaner. And I would do something different with the print, that way I can get the red in there, because the red was very hard to do. And I was like, I'm gonna leave well enough alone before I ruin this entire print, because I tried several times. And I'm super happy with it. That's all for this build. Thank you very much. If you like the video, please like, please share, please subscribe. Give me comments below, and check out the description for the file for you to download this and do it yourself. All right, folks, I'll see you in the next one. Later.